In this video, I'm going to show you how to make around $5 every 5 minutes using TikTok without having to post anything on the app. Check it out, guys. I made over $730 for the past week using TikTok without actually having to post any content on the app itself, without having to have a TikTok account. And today, I'm going to show you how to make around $5 every 5 minutes without selling anything using CPA Marketing. And once you're going to set this method up, it's going to be making you this amount of money on complete autopilot. Now, there's many different ways how to monetize social media, but this is perhaps one of the easiest ways to make money with social media for complete beginners without spending a single cent out of your own money, just by using this one-click AI tool that's going to make this possible. Now, this method is not going to be working all the time, so if you're watching this video right now, just go ahead and take action on it right away, because it may not be available in a couple of weeks, and you really don't want to miss on this because it's so easy to do. So just make sure to watch this video from beginning to the end, follow exactly what I'm going to show you, and then just go ahead and in the comment section below, do let me know how much money you have made using this. Alright guys, so here I am in my CPA Grip account, and it's been quite some time since I made the last video about CPA marketing, and I was just browsing through these offers lately, and I have stumbled upon this one right here that's going to pay you $4.79 just for promoting TikTok app. Now, if you're going to open it up, you can see you can get paid $4.79 for everybody who's going to install and use the TikTok app, and this offer is only viable for United States only, but it really doesn't matter, because if you're going to use this traffic source that I'm going to show you in this video, you can get literally tons of clicks to this, and pretty much everybody right now has heard about TikTok, so even people who do not have it yet are going to download and install it, and every time somebody's going to do that, you are going to get paid. Now, to get started, just go to Google and you want to search for CPAgrip.com if you haven't been on this website already, and then just go ahead and sign up for your free account, and once you're going to have it, you want to log right into it. Now, if you've been watching some of my previous videos, you already may have an account on CPA Grip, but if you don't have one already, just go ahead, sign up for one. It's very easy and very quick to do, and then just log right into it. And once you're going to log into it, you want to go to the offer tools, click on my offers, and you need to filter by country, and for that select the United States. Now, this offer is currently available for United States only, and what you want to do is also make sure you are going to take action on it right away, because these offers tend to change from time to time, and if you are going to be watching this video later for in like a month or two, this may not be available. So if you want to try this method and you don't see this offer right here in your CPA Grip Offers toolbar, you want to just pretty much wait for a couple of days or weeks, and you want to check in, but pretty much if it's not in there, you can continue with the rest of this method, and you can set up the traffic source, and once this offer is going to become available, you can just monetize it right away using all the free traffic. If you log into your CPA Grip account and it's in there, you want to just open it up, and pretty much what you want to do here is just copy the link to it so you can start promoting it. And to do that, what you want to do is go to YouTube and you want to search for podcast. Now, you may have seen this method before, because I actually posted a very similar method a couple of months back, but in this video I'm going to show you how to monetize it using this unique CPA offer. And to do that, you want to search for podcast, but you don't want to go through these that are going to be shown up in there, because these have been posted, because some of these have been posted quite some time ago, and the content that is showing in these videos may have been saturated. To overcome this, what you want to do is go up to this toolbar and you want to click on recently uploaded. Just click on that and YouTube is going to show you podcasts that have been uploaded very recently, like a couple of days ago or a couple of hours ago at least. Just click on that and YouTube is going to filter all of these videos by how recently they were posted, and then what you want to do is just scroll through a bunch of these and you want to find one that you want to go with. And for this, let's go with this Nelk Boys Full Send podcast, which I have watched actually today, and it's quite good. So if you are a fan of the Nelk Boys, just go ahead and smash the like button under this video as well. And I'm going to use this one for this method again. I'm going to open it up, and pretty much all you want to do is just go ahead and click on share, and you want to copy its link. Next step, you want to go to Google and you want to search for Opus Pro, and you want to go to this first website right here that's called opus.pro. This website is going to allow you to create short format content from the longer videos using just one click button, and all you gotta do is just pretty much sign up for your free account, and you want to paste the link in here. Once you're going to paste it in there, you want to click on get free clips, and although this website has a paid plan, you can use the free plan to create up to 1 hour of free content that you can use to monetize this method. So pretty much what you want to do is just select 1 hour from the video that you are going to be using. Make sure to drag this drag bar to the appropriate time, because that way you can get the most amount of content using your free account in just one click. just click on this one-click button and you gotta wait for quite some time for this website to generate the content for you. And with the power of video editing, which just took like 10 minutes in real time, I was able to generate this short format content that's going to be also subtitled using this AI tool. If you're going to open one of these videos up, it's going to look something like this, and it's going to have also these captivating subtitles embedded in it. And using this free app, I was able to generate almost 1 hour of content that I can now use to drive traffic to my CPA link. So what you want to do is just go ahead and download these videos from Opus Pro using this button one by one. Just scroll through all of these and you want to download every single one of these. And then you just want to pretty much hop on YouTube and you want to go to this section and click on Create. You want to just upload the short video that you have downloaded from Opus Pro. And if you've been on YouTube for quite some time now, or if you have tried uploading any videos before, you may be familiar with the process, but if you're not, I'm going to show you very quickly how to do that. First of all, you want to customize the title, and I'm going to name it something like this, for example, which I have gotten from the clip that I have downloaded. Just go ahead and use something from the title in your YouTube title as well. Then in this description, what you want to write is just this: watch the full podcast here. Now, what you want to do is hop over back to CPA Grip and you want to copy your link. And as you can see, it's going to be this ugly alphabet of numbers and letters, and we don't want to be posting that in the YouTube description. So just quickly hop over to bit.ly, cut.ly, or any other link shortener that you may want to use, and you want to shorten the link. And you want to paste the full link in here. Then go to the back half section, which is going to look something like this, and you want to type in there something like watch full video here now, or something like that, which is going to imply the full video is going to be behind this link. Then you just want to click on Create and you want to copy your shortened link. Head over back to YouTube and you want to paste the shortened link in there. And as you can see right here, I'm using my dummy account for this. For that reason, it's not going to allow me to post the link in there. But what you want to do is just go through this one-time verification where you are going to type your phone number. You are going to receive an SMS code that you are going to paste in there, and it's going to allow you to post links to YouTube description as well. Once you're going to complete the verification, you can post the link in there and you can pretty much just continue with the rest of this upload form. And pretty much the only important thing that's going to stop you from completing this process is this part right here, where you need to select no, it's not made for kids. Then just pretty much finish this uploading process, and once you're going to do that, make sure you are going to make it public so everybody can see it, and then just publish it to YouTube. Now it's going to be uploaded to YouTube, and you want to do this process for the rest of the clips that you have generated using Opus Pro. Just go ahead and download every single one of these, upload them to YouTube using exactly the same way. And also don't forget to include the shortened link to this CPA offer from CPA Grip in the description, because that way every time somebody is going to want to watch the full video, they are going to click on it, download the TikTok app, and for every single one of these completions, you are going to get paid $4.79. Now keep in mind guys, if this offer is not available, just go ahead and create a YouTube channel just like that. Keep posting the short format videos because it's going to start getting traffic, and once this offer is going to become available, you can just include the link in the description and you are going to get instant free traffic. Also guys, very quick announcement, I still got a couple of spots left open in my coaching program where I'm looking for serious action takers who would like to learn how I'm making anywhere between $100 up to $500 per day with affiliate marketing completely without showing my face using done for you affiliate marketing system. And as you can see right here, last month this system made me almost $15,000 in affiliate commissions on complete autopilot just for setting it up. So if you want to grab yourself a seat and you want to learn exactly how I'm doing this, just go to the first pinned comment right below this video, check out the short introduction that I have prepared for you, and I'm hoping to see you inside. So that's it for today guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, just hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to check out the link in the first pinned comment to check out one of the free spots I have left in my coaching program. Just click on it, watch the short introduction, and I'm hoping to see you inside. Now to see another free money making video, check out this one right here, which is going to show you an entirely different method on how to make money online. Just click on it and I'm going to see you in there.